Hello, everybody. Oh, my hair's... It's crazy today. It is Friday, February 17th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I have been so busy this week. I've been trying to get to trading, and every time I get to it, it looks terrible. So I'm not going to let myself get trapped into that. I have not been sleeping great. I thought maybe I was having panic attacks. Turns out I'm having to keep rolling over because my arm is hurting because of the way I'm sitting. Yeah, for real. We did have our first class last Saturday. It was pretty awesome. My intentions were to get through the entire curriculum. That did not work out as planned. So we got through the first couple of sections. Then we are moving on to the MACDs and Divergence this next Saturday. So if you are in the curriculum, make sure you get in touch with me if you have not gotten an email to let you know about that. Also, make sure you're in the Growth and Development class, because that class is going to be very important for making sure that you are in touch with everybody. So all the students are in there able to see how other students are doing, talking with one another, getting updates on things that are going on. The next class we're going to have after that is going to be a mindset class. So that's going to be a mindset growth and development class. I'm really looking forward to that one because it's going to be my friend David Rendell, who I actually met while he was speaking at a event that we had for a trading school that I worked for over 10 years ago. And he's been on TED Talks and things like that. So I thought, man, this is something I've wanted to do for a long time. Why not start now? And have David come and talk with us about mindset. And I think a lot of things that go into that. I mean, we can learn how to trade, but learning how to deal with your emotions is a whole nother ballgame that we have to put into play. Because if we don't, then we're going to be fighting that stuff the whole time. It's a growing process, y'all. It really is. That is our scheduled next couple of weeks. That one's going to be 3 weeks after this one. So we're going to have one tomorrow, then we're going to have one in 3 weeks from that, which will be, I think, on the 9th is the day that we decided on that. So, man, this market is dropping like it's hot. So I need to get over there and check it out. Okay, let's see. We had a big movement up overnight. Okay. We had a big gap here. We pulled back into the area. We pulled up. We've come back. It is at the top Bollinger Band. It's getting really, really white here. So I'm going to watch this and see if we're going to get... That was a nice, strong move to the downside. Let's check the 4181. Might have been a little quick on the draw. So this little bar here pulled right back into the area that it held already before. Just a little quick on the draw. Okay. See as it's pulling down towards this close. And close. First bar pulling back. Okay. There we go. Let's see here. Getting close. I'm going to give this one more shot. Keep going. There we go. Let's see if this will come all the way up here. I don't know. Bars are getting really small on the 233. Reversal bar potential. I'm exiting. I think I'm going to give this a shot to the downside. It'll pull back and grab me. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm going to take my first one out here, just because this is a good spot that it can bounce back up. I'm going to hit close. These are still pushing to the upside. Ooh, did pull back further, and it did give another reversal bar. It's a 610 large EMA. Go for it, Lindsay. You're not going to live your life just waiting. Pull it up one more tick so it's right at that low. There we go. I want to give this one a shot. Pulling one down to take it out. I think this may give us the pullback finally. I'm going to hit close. Yep. Okay. This is probably the one that's going to go, but I don't care. I'm done. I am done. Let's go ahead and mark these up. Yeah, okay, you see, patience would have paid off. Just keeping it right behind there would have had me going to that next area, but you know what I don't do right now is I don't care. So, I broke my 3-loss in a row streak. Thank Lord. But I did take my first loss. Today was a little hard. Yep, I went right up to that next area, so it was definitely a couple or more points. I got out of that one at 39.25, and it went up to about 43. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. 45 minutes, and I'm done. It looks like it's about to rain outside, which means I'm probably going to lose power. Jason and I are about to go do a run through so we can make sure we are ready for everybody tomorrow. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the class that we're going to hold with David in 3 weeks, I'm going to invite anybody who is in my free course, the intro course, and anybody who is in the Responsible Day Trading course. If you want to join that free course, just go to the website. There is a spot that says get started now. Right when you go here, right, start the free intro course, you'll want to go there, and then you'll scroll down here and you'll click here to register. If you want to learn more about the full course, you'll go here, but you can just click here to register for free, and then when you do that, you'll want to fill out your information here in order to join, and you can see it's absolutely free to join that course. So we would love to have you as part of it. It is your opportunity to get the new MACDs and then get you your head start to learning responsible day trading. Then your next step after that, guys, is to head on to YouProfit Trader. You can understand how to trade properly. The plan is that once you understand how to trade, then you go over and you do the testing. Once you do the testing, then you're ready to earn your funded account. So, all right, guys, that is going to wrap it up. So if anybody has any questions, make sure you can send me an email at Lindsay, Lindsay, at responsibledaytrading.com. You can send it to info@responsibledaytrading.com. You can message Jason at Responsible Day Trading. So you can go to the website, and there's actually a chat box on the website that'll connect you to one of us. So you can go there and send a message if you need to. But anyway it goes, guys. It is Friday. I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.